Hello everybody, and welcome to my top 10 picks for this YouTube season, presenting my 2024 experience of lighting fireworks. I hope you guys enjoy this selection. There's a wide variety of different things that I thought I would include and would be kind of nice to present to you all. I just went through some of the best clips in each of them and got them all ready for you to see, so kick back and enjoy and let me know what you guys think. It's not always rainy here in the Pacific Northwest. In fact, in the summertime, 2 out of 3 days are actually completely sunny, but we get rain any other time of year. Summertime, there's always a lot of sun though. So this is one of those odd days because it's in the summertime and we have a bunch of rain. Oh, just look at how beautiful this is. You can see over here, over where the stands are, they're still setting up. No stands are open yet. I don't imagine they would be. In this video, which one is more entertaining for the buy, whether or not it's having lots of fuses to light off or just one really big fuse to light off and enjoy for the night. Now, this is an assortment right here that costed $19.95 at a local fireworks shop here in the state of Texas. I mean, just look at how gigantic this thing is in comparison to these assortments. So there is the pink ground bloom flower. Let's see how good it is. Whoa! Well, it started coming my way a bit, but well, we'll see if it's worth 20 bucks. Oh my gosh, it better not just blow up. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, I'm liking this so far. So for $20, this is what we've got. Oh, it's about to get crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys, this is insane. Whoa! Oh my gosh, look at that flare of sparks. Welcome back everyone to another video on lighting off some fireworks, where today everyone, we're going to be seeing what happens when you have different types of fireworks and placing them in soda bottles. Now the premise for this video is very simple everyone, as we are going to be taking the cap off of the soda bottles just like this and placing the firework inside the soda. Well, I believe I've got the fuse wedged right there so that when it ignites, guys, it should drop and fall right into the soda. Here we go with this, guys, in 3, 2, 1. And it is in the soda. Wow! Well, everyone, it shouldn't go without saying, soda is very unhealthy to drink. I don't even need to read just how much sugar is in this Mountain Dew right here. Here we go with round 2 of this, everyone. Let's see what happens. Whoa! Some Pepsi soda for my body today. Well, maybe the fireworks will like it because I do not want to eat this stuff today. I have to say, these fireworks right here are going to be rather interesting. Here we go with this in 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, guys, look at the fuse. Fireworks tent we're at is Big Dog Fireworks. I've never actually been to this tent before, and I heard that it was buy one, get one. Oh, did you say everything on this table was buy one, get one? Ooh. Equal or less, okay. Kind of like the parachutes, because they're just a couple bucks. You can get 2 for $2. Absolutely. Oh yeah, so there are double parachutes. I always find that my luck with fireworks improve when I have lots of variety from different stands. These are spinners, and the whole pack is $3.75. We like Boom City.
Boom City is a great place.
Thank you. Have a good 4th. Well, we are at our 3rd location. I got those. Yay. Magic gems. Yay. These are my favorite. Oh, look at all these 200-gram cakes. Whoa. They've got all my favorite shells here. You guys have a good rest of your day. Boom City is going to be packed right now. We are at Boom City now. I have some.
Now I can see what I have.
These are so fun. Nice. Get those, and I'll get this.
1, go.
Welcome back, everyone, to another firework demo today, where in this episode, we're going to be looking at some fake fireworks. These do absolutely nothing and are completely hollow, as you guys can see. If I were to lift up the heading on this strobe rocket, it's just saran wrap right here. And the tube to propel it is just simply a can. What makes this great, everyone, is as long as your devices are completely inert, you can make as many homemade fireworks as you want. It totally reminds me of the days of building fireworks. If you get any questions, these are just firework props, so I'm not too worried about using real fuse right here. Everybody asks the question of what happens when you take ordinary fireworks just like this and place them underneath the dirt just like so. Right here, we've also got some different types of fireworks that we're gonna also experiment with and see how they do underground. These are so tiny right here, but guys, he is gonna go nappy. Let's go ahead and just gently ignite his little fuse right here, and we'll just go ahead and safely cover him up right here. Oh, that is so cool. Whoa! Guys, the firecrackers are still working underground. That is so cool. And here we go. These are the firecrackers underground. Now I'm gonna make use of my little shovel here and just go ahead and cover them up now. Let's go ahead and see what happens with this one. Oh, guys, there is the fuse right there. And there go the firecrackers. Whoa! Well, we've got the firework underground now, and without any further ado, everyone, we've got the small firework to go ahead and do underground. Oh boy. Whoa! This firework is super deep in the ground right here. And now guys, by the length of the fuse right here, that should tell you how deep this firework is underground. And let's go ahead and see how good this one is in 3, 2, 1. Oh guys, I think I got it. Oh guys, there it goes. I just took a shower with dirt everywhere. That was insane. I'm speechless. This white shell right here. Now this says all multi-neon color peony with a white strobe, and for this one I'm actually going to need a bigger tube since it is a canister shell. This time I think I'll set this one right in the dirt and make sure it's seated real nicely. Can't have any give in the dirt, maybe just really screw it down in there. Now let's go ahead and just plop our canister shell right into the mortar tube. The most exciting things about fireworks, guys, is getting to light the fuse. Oh boy, might want to get back for this one. Now, I just had to take some time and let you guys appreciate the echo for that. This is a jumbo crackling ball. It is not one of your typical crackling balls that is super small. In fact, this thing right here, everyone, is so big that I'm probably gonna need to get back quite a ways once I light it off. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is exciting. Wow, that was so much smoke. Wow, that looks like doo-doos coming out of the concrete. What happens if we blow on it? Whoa, it was like pirate booty just floating around everywhere. That was so neat. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Woo! As I was mentioning, everyone, this year about a bigger display, that is in fact the case, as we've just got tons and tons of product, and we still got a lot of the show to finalize and finish setting up. We got some kids over here riding on quads. This is just a fantastic 4th of July. There's gonna be a whole gathering here watching this show, and I mean, obviously this is probably going to be one of the bigger displays yet. Like, they're still warm. I had to write my name on here so people knew who I am. It's just one of those times to kick back and relax. Oh, 7-Up. Man. Oh, I gotta get me some food.
Holy cow.
And well, everyone, that wraps up my top 10 selection for last year, and basically just showing you guys all the best clips that I picked. And I absolutely loved going through all of them, and I really hope you guys all enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below which video or maybe segment you thought was your favorite, and I'll try to get back to you and respond. And yeah, have a wonderful day and get prepared for 4th of July. It's going to be a hot summer, and I will see you all later.